Hello.
I made another video.
Woo!
Oh my lord.
What'd you? Oh! I'm about to fall over. Okay. A two-step.
Oh my god.
I know, it makes you really...
I can't do that one.
I think you're supposed to cross your feet, aren't you? Yeah. I think that's how you're supposed to... Uh-huh.
What? Shut up, you're mean. And then I'll try to jerk. Shut up! No,
I want to try to jerk. Okay, ready? I feel like I'm galloping, like...
Okay, since we're...
Hey, boy. Hello. My name is Alissa. And you need to stop laughing right now!
Crank a lotta. Take 5 things.
Hello. My name is Alissa. I'm about to do some crazy stuff. I'm a mental mouse. My mouse on the super Spiderman that has the nub. It's like my golly wall.
Do that again.
I'm a slandering sloppy snake. That was a mighty thing. Come on. Take 27.
I have to puke.
I have to puke. Hang on a second. And I'm back. Take 28. Hi. Okay, so Isabella's in the bathroom right now, and we're gonna go pull a prank on her. Okay? We're gonna go try to scare her. Ready? Okay. I don't know. She's sitting us. Did she lock the door? Okay.
Whoa, what the heck? You are so mean.
We got her.
Did you see me for like, ah!
Yeah.
Stop it now. Hey guys. Okay, so the other day I got a request from J_L. I think that's how his name is. But he requested that we make a video of burping, so we're going to do just that.
Aww.
It just went away!
What?
Yeah, it went away. Oh.
You're not videotaping this, are you?
Dude, let me put it on this. This is my special sweatshirt. Make sure you put it in. done watching.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
That sucked.
That sucked. Your phone's ringing.
Brr.
Okay, hi you guys.
Hi.
So, well, as you can see, I'm here with my best friend Alissa, and then my little brother is sitting there on the ball, and he keeps getting hurt. And we're listening to music, and we're waiting because we're gonna go see the new Spider-Man movie, The Amazing Spider-Man. So yeah, and we'll take pictures and stuff on the way there, and try and do as much as we can, and then we'll videotape after and tell you how it is. And we got a request on burping, so yeah, we're gonna do that. We'll try.
I'll be a part of that.
No, can you put the lid on that lipstick, but push down the lipstick? Don't push it down with your finger, but twist it. There you go. Okay, sorry. Well, we'll see you guys later, okay? Bye. Okay, you guys, we're back from the Amazing Spider-Man movie.
Sure was amazing.
Oh my god, it was amazing. No wonder it's called
It was the
Amazing
best
Spider-Man.
movie ever.
I'm not even joking. It was so good. We went and saw it in 3D. There were a couple times where we're like, whoa, like, whoa.
Yeah. I
But
cried.
I
It was
cried
sad.
like 3 times.
Me too.
Yeah, it was really sad. But I've never seen the original Spider-Mans, but she has, and she said it's way better.
It is way better than the original Spider-Man.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen it, you need to go see it right now.
Like, seriously, it's one of the best movies. And it's only been out for, what, like a few days now?
Yeah, I think it came out the 3rd, didn't it?
Something like that. But, oh my god, it was really good. I wish I would have thought we were going to go see Katy Perry, but then we ended up not because of my
I'm
brother.
glad we saw that, though.
I know,
But
I still wish
I
I
want
would
to
have
see
saw
Katy
it.
Perry.
But, yeah, we got the 3D glasses.
I put mine back.
No. Well, I got the 3D. Well, I kept my 3D glasses, but it's really cool because we saw that the Katy Perry ones have red ones, like for her on movie, and I thought that was really cool. So, yeah, we'll have to go see that soon. But it was really, really good. I suggest that you see it. It's really long. It is.
It's like 2 hours.
I can't believe how long it was. I mean, it was really, really
It
good.
seemed really
It was
good.
worth it though.
Yeah, it was really worth it.
Yeah.
You should go see it.
Like right now because it was freaking
Awesome.
amazing. So go see it in a theaters near you.
Okay.
Well, we'll talk to you guys later.
Peace.
Peace on the street, son.